This is a 2019 Sprinter 144 wheelbase, high roof option. Comes with the upgraded 6.5-inch by 16-inch wheel, sliding side door, wood floor. You have a window in the cargo area. Perfect setup for a van kind of camper setup. On the roof you actually have roof rails up there too, so you're ready to go to put anything on your roof. 170-degree opening rear doors, rear view camera. In the front of the vehicle, you have power windows, power locks, automatic headlamps, upgraded steering wheel, the MBUX 10.25-inch system, navigation, cameras, comfort seats.